Roll your window down?
It's down.
Huh?
It's down.
As far as it goes down?
As far as it's going down tonight, sir. For the record, for the record, what's your name and badge number?
Excuse me?
I said, for the record, what is your name and badge number, please?
How about you hand me your license and insurance?
How about, for the record, what's your name and badge number?
I'll tell you in a minute. Hand me your license and insurance.
Sir, for the record, what's your name and badge number?
Hand me your license and insurance.
Is there a recording being made of this stop?
I'm sorry?
Is there a recording being made of this stop?
I'm stopping you because you don't have a tag license.
Okay. That's fine.
So roll down your window, give me your license and insurance.
Sir, my window's rolled down, sir.
Well, then let me have your license and insurance.
For the record, first I'd like to have your name and badge number.
My name
for the record.
Deputy Tippin.
Sir?
My name is Deputy Tippin.
Deputy Tippin?
Tippin. T-I-P-P-O-N.
Tippin. What's your badge number, sir?
536.
536?
Yep.
Deputy Tippin, 536? Deputy Tippin, badge number 536. Is there a recording being made of this stop?
No, I don't have a camera in my car.
Okay.
Let me have your license and insurance.
Okay.
Sir, I need your license and insurance.
Sir, what's your emergency and how may I help
you? You can hand me your license and insurance. Like I've asked several times.
I know you have. Okay. Officer, Tippin badge number.
You're reading there.
What? Okay, Officer Tippin badge number. So what's your badge number again?
Hand me your license.
Officer, what facts or information are you alleged to give you probable cause to stop me and cost me?
Excuse me?
What?
I already told you the probable cause. You don't have a tag light.
Okay, that.
Hand me your license and insurance.
That tag light, is that a? What is that? Is that a?
That's called improper equipment. If you want, we'll go over it after you hand me your license and insurance.
I don't wish to give you a.
You also are not wearing a seatbelt.
What is this? Yes, sir, I'm wearing a seatbelt. Do you have a properly signed warrant? No, sir. I said, do you have a properly signed or issued warrant for my arrest that accurately describes and names me as the person to be arrested?
Listen to me. I already gave you probable cause of why I'm stopping you, okay?
You're charging me with a...
If you don't hand me your license and insurance, I can detain you until...
Do you plan to arrest me for invoking do you plan to...
Right now, you are technically under arrest.
So I am invoking my rights not to incriminate myself. I understand that. I understand that I'm in a custodial arrest, and I'm invoking my rights not to incriminate myself. And handing you any kind of information is something that can...
So I let you go.
Okay, I understand that.
You need to give me your license right now.
Sir, giving you the license is handing you stuff that's going to incriminate me. I'm invoking
I'm verifying who you are.
My name is Paul.
No, I need more than that.
My name is Paul Robbins.
Where is your license at?
I don't know.
Do you have a license?
I have a license to drive a commercial vehicle, but I'm not driving. I'm not driving.
You need a license to drive this vehicle.
If I was driving this vehicle, you're right, but I'm not driving. Driving under Black's Law Dictionary is described as...
You are driving this vehicle, are you not?
No, sir.
How are you not driving this vehicle?
Because driving in Black's Law Dictionary, you have to be getting paid to drive, and I'm not getting paid.
Driving this vehicle, you need a license.
No, sir, I'm not driving. No, sir, I'm not driving. Black's Law Dictionary. See, you're enforcing policy, and you're enforcing policy, not law. Law, driving.
It is law that you need a driver's license, a state license to drive a vehicle, any vehicle.
You're right in what you're saying, but you're right in what you're saying.
Highway, you need a license to drive it.
I'm not driving.
To see your license right now.
I'm not driving. I don't have a driver's license to offer you because I'm not driving.
You are driving.
No.
How are you saying that you're not driving?
Because Black's Law Dictionary describes, you see,
I care about Alabama state law. Alabama state law says that you need a license in order to drive this thing.
Look up driving. See, I'm not driving. Not according.
You are in the driver's seat. You were driving when I stopped you.
I'm not driving. I'm not driving.
Tell me what you're doing.
I'm not.
Tell me what you're doing.
I'm not driving. I'm not driving by law.
Yeah, tell me what you are doing.
I'm not. Right now, I'm getting accosted by an officer. Do you have a warrant for my? Do you plan to
right now,
arrest me? Do you plan to violate any? Do you plan to arrest me?
You are technically under arrest.
I understand that.
Traffic stop is technically arrest.
I understand that.
I need to see your ID.
I don't have an ID. I don't have an ID to offer.
You don't have an ID.
I don't have an ID to offer you.
All right. I'll write you a citation for driving without a license.
Okay, that's fine.
Proper equipment.
That's fine.
Are you the owner of this vehicle?
Yes, sir. Paid cash for it. What's
your social security number?
I don't wish to offer that.
I need some kind of ID.
If I were driving, I'd give you a driver's license. I do drive. I do have a. Sir.
What is your name?
My name is Paul Robbins.
Paul Robbins.
Yes, sir.
All right. Hang on.
All right.
Sir, I'm giving you a citation for not driving with your license in your possession. I will give you a warning for no proof of insurance and improper equipment.
I didn't say that I didn't have them in my possession. I just said I didn't. I'm invoking my rights not to.
You don't have a right not to show it to me. You are under arrest. You need to show it to me.
No. If I give you a driver's license, would that be used? Could that be used against me in a court of law?
Why would it be used against you? I'm trying to verify who you are. That's it.
If I give you a license, would that not? If I give you a license and say, that's something that could be used.
To verify who you are.
Okay.
Period.
I
wanted to verify who I was. I told you my name.
Right.
I need to verify who you are.
I told you my name.
You need to show me your license. You are technically under arrest.
I don't have a driver's license. I'm not driving.
You have a driver's license in your possession.
I have a driver's license, but I'm not driving. Sir, I've been
driving without a driver's license. For all know, you were driving without a driver's license in your possession.
Officer, for the record, I'm not operating in a for-hire capacity or engaging in any form of transportation or other commercial use of the highway. Officer, please acknowledge that you have been so informed.
Drinking at all tonight?
No, sir, I don't drink. I've been bow fishing. I just left the river.
That's fine. Unless you show me your license, I'm giving you a citation for driving without a license.
Okay. Okay, you can get it to me.
Roll down your window so you can sign this.
Okay, it's down.
You need to roll down your window so I can hand you this.
Yeah, I'll take it right here.
That's not enough room.
I'll tell you what, I'll give you about another inch. There you go.
Sign that citation right there. Write your phone number for me.
Okay. You have a pen?
Have questions? Yes, I do.
Okay.
If you have questions about the citation, you can call that number 497-8520.
497-8520.
That's the magistrate's number. If you have questions, you can talk to her about it.
All right.
I set your court date for June 24th at 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay. Where's that at?
That's going to be the Bessemer Courthouse on 2nd Avenue.
Okay.
The address is right there.
Okay.
Sign it and hand it back to me.
Let me put my glasses on.
Write your phone number down. Give me a second. I'll get you your copy.
All right.
You'll be free to go.
I appreciate it. Thank you. You have a good night. Be careful.
I'm Paul Robbins.
here before this honorable court. I'm here by express appearance only as opposed to the general appearance. I'm standing in my own counsel. I've appointed myself as my own attorney. I'm ready to proceed with my...
Hold on, I
Yes.
said word.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm new to this.
The charge is not having possession of driver's license. Do you have driver's license?
Yeah, Your Honor, I don't understand the charges because I wasn't driving. I mean,
You're not driving?
no, sir, not.
Well, I'm gonna say it for
Okay, in that case, I'd like to request a formal hearing, and since the begging controversy is in excess of $20, I'd like to have a trial by jury.
you. No trial by jury here. And the only way you can get a jury trial is if you wanted to stipulate an appeal, and then the case would then, you make an appeal bond, case would then be submitted or transferred to the circuit court, and you have to then be prepared whenever the case comes off, or comes up for hearing up there, which could be a year or longer. And at that time, you can appear before the judge up there who can give you the opportunity to have a jury trial. But here in district court, all cases are tried in district court without a jury. That's just the law.
Well, Your Honor, I was charged with driving, and my defense is I was traveling, and I said I have the right to travel pursuant to Shapiro versus Thompson. It's a First Amendment right, which is so basic that it goes without even saying. As I have the right to travel freely and unencumbered. Okay, and the state of Alabama arbitrarily and erroneously converted my right into a privilege, issued a license and the fee for it. And Murdoch versus Pennsylvania says no state shall take a secured liberty, turn it into a right, issue a license and the fee for it. And if they do, Shuttleworth versus Birmingham says that I can ignore the license and engage with the right with impunity. And since I have relied on previous decisions of the Supreme Court and constitutional defense, I have a perfect defense for willfulness. No, sir, I don't plead. I'm here to answer in the form of a demur, such as not to acquiesce jurisdiction.
No, I didn't.
I'm gonna set it for hearing.
The time.
So, Your Honor, since I've relied on the Supreme Court decisions and constitutional defense, I have a perfect defense for willfulness. I'm immune to prosecution. Therefore, prosecution counsel does not have a cause of action for which relief can be granted. I motion for dismissal with prejudice for failure to state a cause of action.
That will be taken up on the hearing date. That would be August 6th at 2 o'clock. That would be.
August 6th at 2 o'clock.
All right. We'll see you then.
August 6th at 2 o'clock. Okay. Is there some way I can call and verify that? Because I was supposed to be here today. My citation said at 1 o'clock, and I got here and she said I should have been here at 9. Okay.
No, what it is I think the deputy meant to write 9 and it just came out as a 1. That lady that you saw first, same deal, it's like a 1.
Yeah. Well, you.
August 6th at 2.
Yeah.
If you want to call, get the number from the clerk.
Yeah, I called that number. It goes to voicemail and then gives you another number to call, which leaves a message. But I'll see y'all August 6th at 2 o'clock. Thank you.
All right, next you got.
How you doing?
Yes. Do you have insurance on it?
Yes.
You got a copy of it? That's all I need.
Am I going to pay court costs?
Oh, no, you have that's up to the judge.
Oh.
I'm just trying to get where not found guilty of.
Not what?
I'm trying to find where you're not found guilty. I mean.
Are you the prosecutor?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm sorry.
You don't have another one of them, do you? My question is, have you read my motion?
Yeah, really sorry.
Okay, I'm claiming the right to travel freely and unencumbered. That's for Shapiro versus Thompson. And Marbury versus Madison says Supreme law, Constitution, Supreme law of the land. I'm claiming the First Amendment right to travel freely and unencumbered. About to choke.
You just need to show them the insurance card.
Mm.
That's the more you argue the motion, the more he's gonna charge if he finds you guilty. You can appeal it and get it to circuit.
I'd
And they'll
rather,
have a hearing and all that kind of shit, but down here he don't do it, he just stamps it and goes. But if you
he
got
charged
your,
me with a traffic complaint, and traffic is defined as commerce, trade, sales, and exchange money and bills and the like, passing the goods, commodities from one person to another, equivalent money and goods. I argue that I'm not engaged in traffic. So right off the bat, we have a problem. Then we have to
ain't
deal
gonna
with
be
it.
no problem here, he's gonna deny the motion,
Well,
okay?
well,
I'm just, he don't have to say why, he just says motion denied. You wanna hear, gives you a hearing, finds you guilty, sends you to jail. If he don't find you guilty, you go walk out. I'm
What
trying to
about
get you out of here without all this shit.
I'm trying to get out of here without
All right,
waiting.
let me see what I can do. Let me see your insurance. That's what I need. I need something showing me you got insurance.
If I show you insurance, is that gonna say that I was driving?
No, I just want to have to show that if you had insurance on this date right here, this is over.
I had to pay court costs?
No, if you had insurance on this date,
Okay.
I'm not trying to hear you.
Okay.
Now, this man right here, he got some serious problems. He's doing 120. We get 10 days to people do over 100.
Let me identify it. Now, if I give this, I don't wanna, I'm willing to fight this all the way to.
I ain't hoodwinking him out.
Okay. I just don't wanna have to pay court costs or anything like that, cause I'm not making these up. I mean, I'm using what, you know.
Like, do you have anything to show that you had insurance on 5/22?
This right here. This is my insurance. This is, oh, sorry. I don't have my glasses.
If you can show me something where you had insurance on this day here, it's over with.
Can I run in my truck?
Go get it, I'll be there.
Hey, you know where there's a fax around here anywhere? Anywhere around here I can receive a fax?
Not that I'm aware of. The post office has got a bill.
I wonder if it's a bank over here. Yeah. Thank you, bud. Hey, do y'all have a fax machine? A fax machine?
We do.
Can I get something faxed here? I'll pay. Thanks. Ashley, this is Paul Robbins. I have an account with y'all. I need you to fax me that I have proof of insurance on 05/22/14. Yes, ma'am. And I need this like yesterday. I'm in court and I just stepped out to my vehicle to get my insurance and it wasn't in there. So my fax number is 205-424-7672. Yes, ma'am. 7672. Yes, ma'am. And I need this like yesterday. 5/22/14. Yes, ma'am. Okay, thanks. And bye. Is there a charge for that? Thank you. Hey, that's the problem. I was making sure there wasn't any problem. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll holler back in a minute if I don't. It's on the Toyota, the Toyota 4Runner. Okay. All right, thanks. Bye.
Sir.
What was you saying?
Let me warn you, wait,
Okay.
man. Something there.
What is that? Oh, I'm sorry, keys.
All right.
You got it, buddy. See, I'll get it taken care of. When you was there the last time, did you talk to anybody from our office about the insurance thing? Did anybody ask you about your insurance?
No, the officer never even asked me for insurance.
Okay.
What took so long
Took so long for it.
to get the information from
I had to go out and stand back in the line, empty my pockets, get undressed, and let them weigh the one and search through my.
Oh, he's talking about what did it take to the 6th to get it?
To the 6th one.
August the 6th.
To get.
Yeah.
No, I had insurance.
No, a copy of it.
So I went, because I didn't.
No. When you was here before, he just won't know why you didn't have it when you was here before.
I wasn't asked for it before.
Okay.
I wasn't even asked for that when I got pulled over. The officer never asked me for insurance.
I'm gonna dismiss it.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
That's right. I told you I wasn't trying, you know.
You know.
Didn't I tell you, show me something, show me that day we can do something with it. He kept thinking I was trying to set him up.
Well, I mean, the officer had, you know, I mean, he was out there with
Tell
us.
people you got treated
He's
right
out.
down here.
Oh, the officer actually treated me right, except for the fact that he was jerking on my door and had his hand on his. It was a very hostile situation there for a while. And all I was doing was exercising my First Amendment right, and he was trying to convert that into a crime. And the way I understand that, that's unconstitutional. And you know,